Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. My name is BilalAmeen and you are watching my YouTube channel forex signals analysis. In this video we are going to learn the short-term trading secrets, which things we need to understand when we trade in short-term strategy plus day trading. Each and everything about short-term trading we will learn in this video. So let's start. Before starting a video, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that the upcoming videos can reach you easily. So let's start. The key levels. First we will check over key levels. Day trading secrets, key levels. First we use moving average plus support and resistance, demand and supply zones plus trend lines. So we will learn these all things on a live chart. So as we can see here, we also use our moving average of 20 plus the things we need to check before take a entry in the market. First we will draw our supply zone, demand zone in market. This one is our first demand zone in market according to these uh, current rates in market. So now we will draw our trend. So this one is our trend line. So as we can see here, market give closing below over trend line plus over all also one candle give closing below our moving average, and market then goes up again and give closing again below our trend line. If we will draw our resistance level in market, this one is our resistance level, and plus this one is our support level, plus this one is our resistance level in market. So this is the our first trade in market is that we will get our first trade on this point and keep our SL above our plus trend plus our support and resistance level and our supply zone. So this is our first target in the market. As we can see here, market comes down in according to our analysis prediction. So now we will find some more trades in market. As we can see here at this area. So first we will draw our trend. So as we can see here, market give closing above our trend plus also over resistance level and plus our moving average. So now we will draw our support. This one is we support. So now as we can see, a market give closing above our support plus over a moving average plus over trend lines. So this is the point where we can take entry and set over SL at this point and set over take profit according to our previous low. If we will check, this one is our previous low in market, previous high in the market at this point. If we will check, so this is our second trade. So now we find some more trades. So this one over as we can draw the trend in this area. So as we can see here, market move above our trend bearish trend line. So as we can see here, so market give first closing above our trend line, and this one is our second closing and this one is our third closing. So now we will draw our support and plus resistance levels. So now we will draw our supply zone in market, demand zone in market. So this one is our area where we can take a buy entry in the market from these levels and key set our SL below our moving average plus and keep our SL according to the previous high in the market. So as we can see, market when this is the first confirmation when market give closing above over trend line. So this one is our second confirmation when market breaks over moving average and give closing above over moving average, and then market again goes up and give closing over above the over support plus over demand zone, and this is our third confirmation in market, and we will take trade at this point. I hope you guys you will understand these points. So now we will find some more trade. So as we can see here, this is our major resistance level in market. So now we will draw over resistance level in market, plus this one is also over a resistance level. This one is over resistance level, plus this one is also over a resistance level. So now we will draw our trend line. So this one is our trend. Market move with our upper trend line. This is market trending move. This is market retracement move. This one is also market trending move. So the first confirmation we will get at this point, this area. This is our confirmation area in market. This area tells us market now moves down, because market give closing below our trend line plus over upper resistance level, almost little hit the upper resistance level, and then comes down to over next plus demand zone, and also break over demand zone plus over moving average, and this one is over sell area in the market from this level on this candle. We will set over SL according to our previous high in the market. As we can see here, these are our previous high, and we will set over take profit according to our previous low in the market. As we can see here, these are our major low in market make ever. So this is our a perfect trade in the market. So now we will find some more trades in market. As we can see here, this one is our bullish trade in market. So we will check. So as we can see here, this is our resistance level in markets now, sorry, support level in markets. So now we will draw the trend line in market. So this one is our trend line in the market. So as we can see here, market first give closing below the trend line, and again next candle give closing above our trend line. So and the all next candles give closing above the trend line, and again then market breaks over moving average. When market breaks over moving average, so this is over major demand zone in market, as we can see here. So we will draw plus over support. So this is the area where we take a buy entry in a market at this candle and set over SL according to the previous low of the market, as we can see here, these at this level, and set over take profit according to the previous high in the market. So this one is also our best trade in market, as we can find. So now we will find next more trades in market. As we can see here, at this point market shows us a bullish trend in the market according to our moving average. Then market again comes down. So here at this point market change its trend. So now first we will draw our trend. So as we can see here, so market first as we can see here, market give closing below our trend line at this point. This is our first confirmation, and this one is our second confirmation mark is goes down, and this is the area. As we can see here, this is our major support resistance in a market, and plus we will draw our supply zone in a market, so we will get these areas. So at this point we will take a entry in a market in sell trend. So this is our stop loss, plus this over take profit according to the previous low in the market. I hope you guys you will understand these points. So now we will check this area. So as we can see here, this is our major resistance level in market, plus if we draw our trend line, so this one is our first trend, this one is our second trend. So now we will draw our resistance level. So as we can see, market keep closing at this level below the our moving average, plus our supply zone, plus our resistance level, so plus our trend line. So at this level we will take a sell entry in a market. So as we can see here, market make a fundamental move, and unfortunately it's hit over SL. Don't worry, SLs are also a part of the trading. So in this trade we over SL is hit, but we over target hit it in more than 7 to 8 trades. If we check first 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 7 running trade. This one is over running trade, and almost this will hit our target soon. So I hope you guys you will understand this short term trading strategy. So I will meet you in next video. Goodbye.